Hi, I'm Steven from Quantamize, and I need you to stop for a moment because we're going to tell you the most important news driving markets this morning. You're watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview.
Hey there, good morning. It's Steven from Quantamize. Trading should not be complicated. Here at Quantamize, we focus on great data and plus great trades, and that is what will add value to your portfolio and what will help you make the best investments today. Let's see what's going on in global markets. U.S. markets are quiet to start the week as the German government has given its approval to the merger of Deutsche Bank and Commerzbank, following news that Germany's finance minister, Olaf Scholz, will not oppose the job cuts at both banks. The reduction in jobs is required to support the merger of the two German banks. The outperformance of growth stocks versus value stocks is most pronounced for smaller companies. Definitely wasn't going to guess that one. The ratio of growth to value for the Russell 2000 has moved to its highest levels since February of 2001. The number of bearish bets is decreasing according to data from the CFTC. Net shorts on the S&P 500 E-minis dropped 35% as of the week ending March 12th. Previously, net shorts had reached their highest levels in over a year in February, as worries about slowing economic growth drove demand for bearish bets. Goldman Sachs is arguing that Snap-on, Weatherford, and National Oil Well Varco are three stocks that have high pricing power and will outperform if the U.S. Fed is successful in boosting inflation. The ticker for Snap-on is SNA, the ticker for Weatherford is WFT, and the ticker for National Oil Well is NOV. In options markets, while investors obsess over price levels for the VIX, the Bank of America Merrill Lynch skew indicator has dropped to the lowest levels since January of 2018. The skew index is a more direct measure for demand for out-of-the-money puts, in comparison to the VIX, which is a measure of overall curvature. The low levels for the skew index suggest investors are comfortable with the current environment for stocks. The VIX is little changed this morning, currently sitting at 13.07, with HYG out-of-the-money puts and FXI out-of-the-money calls, some of the most heavily traded options in the U.S. pre-market this morning. Popular trending stocks this morning include Fidelity National Information Services, which agreed to buy WorldPay this morning for $34 billion in cash and stock. Fidelity National will assume WorldPay's debt load, which brings the enterprise value of the deal closer to $43 billion. Upon closure of the deal, Fidelity National shareholders will hold 53% of the new company, with WorldPay holders owning roughly 47%. WorldPay shareholders will receive roughly $11 per share in cash and 0.93 shares of Fidelity National. Qualcomm wins its first patent infringement case against Apple in the U.S. Qualcomm was awarded roughly $31.6 million in damages in a San Diego court, giving the company the full amount it asked for. Qualcomm contends its portfolio of technology patents provide significant value to smartphones. And finally, Disney has rehired director James Gunn to direct the third Guardians of the Galaxy film, after firing him 8 months ago. He was fired after it was discovered he had published offensive tweets a few years ago. Surprising the market, Disney announces he is set to return after backlash from fans.
I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave your comments below, or even better, tweet at us. Or if you want, just shoot us some emails. Let us know what you think and let us know if you'd like us to add more stuff to our morning markets preview. And remember, every day at Quantamize.com, you can find out what's driving stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptos. I'm Steven, co-founder here at Quantamize. Thanks for watching this video.